sounding real good. I'm right here. You follow me doing? Oh, they got a.
You got the demon, though.
Yeah. They finna race? For the money on? Sideways? Ooh. Oh! That boy acting like that in the old schools in the hood, though. Hey, that boy got that beat in that trunk, too. Hold on, let me get y'all right. Y'all see them joints? Boy got dunks out here, cousins, scat packs, everything out here, bro. So I'm finna vlog this for y'all, bro. But anyway, before they even get to that, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy CamaKat with the whips in the back with a video for you guys today, back with a banger. And just trying to run the road to 500,000. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Oh, snap, hold on, that boy got a what you call it? The three-wheel jump. I don't think y'all can see him, but them boys is outrageous. Hey, it's a lot of cars out here, bro, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm finna go over here. We is in the hood, bro. We is on like that. Moreland A, my bad. You know what I'm saying? We in the A. Like, comment, subscribe to join. It's your boy CamaKat. Let's get to it. My camera about to die real quick. But they just keep flying through here, bro. But I think he getting ready right now. We just put up on my foot, bro. Dang, I need a light. Turbo though? I need a light. AMG ski? What up, bro?
What's going on, my brother?
Dang, you black on my camera, boy.
Yeah, you black as...
Oh, yeah, you black on my camera,
Hey, call me
boy.
Batman.
Oh, what color you got on? Is that beige?
This boy's in the hood.
We matching low-key?
Low-key, but you know... Oh, we both got on J's. My boy got on the J's.
We matching low-key? Oh, this is CTSV.
CTSV. My boy brought the C8. Oh, my God.
Yeah, that's something, that's something.
Oh, my God.
That's what you got to bring to these events.
Okay.
You got to bring the C8 out here. You know what I'm saying? I can't leave a demon. I might come back, it might be gone, bro. You feel me? I can't leave a demon.
No, for real.
Hey, they got that stuff out up here though. It almost fell. Yo, I got you on camera. You almost fell. Tell them where we at.
We on Moreland Ave. So
Yeah.
basically, Moreland Ave is where everybody comes.
If they from Atlanta, they know where. You ain't gotta say it, bro.
saying?
Oh, if they ain't from Atlanta, tell them what it is
Well, yeah,
though.
they ain't from Atlanta. Moreland Ave is on Sundays where they bring out all the nice cars. bro.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of heat. Like, you got some heat as soon as you walk up.
I ain't gonna lie, this my boy right here, y'all. This the one who know all the drops. I don't know all this stuff. I ain't from Atlanta. He the one know all the drops, bro. But this ain't no dunk.
Oh, shit. What is that? What is that?
This ain't no dunk.
What is that? What is that?
Why you playing, bro? He gonna call your car a dunk. He talking about you got a dunk. Tell that boy this ain't no dunk. It's a real Cutlass, man. It's a Cutlass.
Oh my God.
It's the one guy that had, right? The white one? Yeah, I know.
I just
right?
brought that.
I think so. How much you want to sell it for?
50,000.
50. I get
That's a
that boy,
good
man.
price.
Oh God, it jump hard. What color it is? It's like oranges or brownies? I don't know. That boy say Cutlass.
I said it was a goddamn.
You said dunk. That ain't no dunk. That ain't no dunk. What that is right here? What that is right there, Slim?
Still dunk. Still dunk.
What this is right here?
Oh, this is Chevy SS.
This Chevy SS?
It's not.
That's a Monte Carlos. It is SS, but it's a Monte Carlos though.
Okay, I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest of the vlog. I'm just gonna let.
Ooh, I don't know all my cars neither, so don't just let me talk, cause I say the wrong thing too.
Okay.
I can't just say that.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
It's a Monte Carlos right here though.
Oh,
SS.
it says it on the side. I didn't see it. You did it on purpose.
Oh, he got Tierra grill in it. He got Tierra grill on for it though.
Okay.
You don't know that grill right there, 2,000.
I ain't know that.
I gotta get one for my box Chevy still.
Okay.
That grill right there, big boy though. And he got the LED lights. Yeah. Monte Carlo, boy. Interior purple. Ooh.
And he matches.
He lying.
Look, it's still
That one hard, boy. Well,
everything match, bro.
yeah, everything match.
This is what you bring your girl out
Who
with.
did your interior?
Home, bro.
I gotta tap in. He IG. I'm trying to get my box Chevy done. I got one. How long you had it like that?
Shit. Well, I've been working on it for like 3 years.
That how I be with the old school
Because
though.
of COVID, but you know what I'm saying? That motherfucker always done it. LS out, it got a 6.0 in it.
Are you got LS in it?
Yeah, 4
Ooh.
6.0, 4 transmission. You know what I'm saying? Rear end built, drive shaft built, 212s in the trunk. Holly everything,
He don't know what you saying right now.
Hey, I know that. You just had a lot of shit. So
He don't even know what that means.
Look, that shit sound expensive as
It
hell.
is. It
I didn't know
is.
that shit expensive. Okay, how much
it was? How much it was?
I'm gonna say, man, you know, you were trying to throw numbers out there, but I'm gonna say I probably got about 40,000 in the car.
Hey, 40,000. Look, that's a lot of money you got put. Oh, somebody brought it out over there too now.
So let me show y'all this, man. Let me show
He wants some. LS swim. That's what I got to put
it's
in
a
mine.
LS?
It's an LS swap.
LS swap. I got 6 over in there.
Okay.
You call it Denali. Hey, man, that gas
And he got the digital dash.
that gas ain't doing all this right here.
Huh? Touchscreen digital?
That gas don't do all
Oh, it's
that. right
touchscreen.
there, bro.
Yeah.
That gas don't do all that.
I know that.
Yeah, this real shit.
And he got 160 on there. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It's hard, right? Oh, yeah, bro.
What you selling though?
Hell yeah, nigga got about 65 racks they can get them
Yeah.
motherfuckers.
Yeah.
And AC and everything in it be work.
Okay, cool.
And the light of work.
Appreciate it, my boy. See, look, that right there, boy. To be the old school, bro. I got like 20. I got like 20, 25 in mine.
Oh, my boy Fresh! Oh, my boy Fresh! Oh, my God!
Welcome to where?
What up, man?
Welcome to what?
Welcome to the jungle.
To the jungle, man. What you got out here, Fred? I know you know
Got your
everything. Oh, God.
So this is the dunk.
This is a dunk right here.
Okay, this is the dunk.
Yes, this is a dunk, bro.
Dunk.
Notice how long it is.
Hey,
It's that mother, you know what I mean?
I can tell by the paint job, though. You see the pearl? You see the pearl in it?
The gas go in the back.
my boy Jay. My boy Jay.
Huh?
Oh, he said get on
Oh,
this side.
God.
He said come on this side.
You gotta really check this
He
shit
said
out.
come on this side.
I see the pearl.
Hold on.
Look at the pearl in that, though.
Hey man, 50 ball. As it's
Right, huh?
subscribe to YouTube,
You know what? Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.
I'm telling you.
Hey, why you trying to mess me, bro? That stuff bad, son. Hey, get my fit check on camera for me. Is it already recording? Yeah. Okay, my boy got the fit check. You see what's going on?
Came out.
Yeah.
You trying to mess me though for, bro?
Yeah. Look at him, man, bro. Look.
Man, look, I ain't
How
trying
we
to
both go beige, though? Let's get the rest of these cars up before everybody go, bro. Cause my camera really finna die, I ain't gonna lie. That yellow one?
This yellow one go
The yellow one hard. Oh, he got the Range Rover. Hold up, hold up. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy in there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You gonna go crazy on my mama.
Ooh. What that is right there?
I know that's the engine though.
What that
It's
is, though?
part of the engine. An intake.
Is it the intake? I don't know. To be honest, I was just asking you. Corleone Fords, though. Come on, man. Hey, them just like Forges right here. Oh my God, Panamera roof. I'm talking about, look, the whole roof is come back. It's a Panamera roof in the old school.
Look, I don't know all that.
You gotta get that put in there. They don't come like that. You gotta get that put in there.
You gotta get that put in there. I
Yeah.
know all that.
You gotta get the something put in there. He went Panamera. You feel me? That's just hard though for sure. That's y'all? That's just nice. That's just hard, man. Yeah, that's something right there. Then you got the scat. You got the scatty. You got the what you call them joints?
Oh,
Side by side, slingshot. I finna say side by side. That boy said he got him and his. This a wrap or a paint?
Paint.
Boy got him and his wife on here. Black and proud, bro. Black and proud, bro. Black and proud, bro.
Hey, black and proud.
Black power, man. Black and proud. I like that. Yeah. Black power. Oh, look at the wheel though.
Oh, fiber carbon. Fiber carbon.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon
You
fiber.
almost had it though.
Carbon fiber, my bad.
What that is?
You know what that
That's
is,
the
right?
good?
Oh,
That's an ump. That's not a cross. That's the original ump where they got the cross from.
That's
This part is
crazy.
a female. The bottom part is the shaft, and this part is the kids. It's called the life.
Oh, he teaching
You see these all the time.
he teaching history.
yeah, he just taught me
He
something.
teaching history, bro. I ain't even know that. I think that's Plum Crazy John. That's John hard. Copyright. Alright, y'all. Y'all see, they got the 442. What? Challenging?
Two-tone.
You gotta show it on the vlog. What this is, Slim?
I know what this is.
It's a dunk or what?
No, this is a 442.
What kind?
I don't know. I'm just gonna say 442 because that's what I see on the goddamn.
A 442
so
colors.
hard, though.
Young God, it is. That's a colors, bro.
I really don't know cars, bro.
That's a colors.
Oh, it's a Cutlass.
Yeah.
Just said it's a Cutlass.
What that is right here though?
That's a CL1 right here.
What that is right there?
That's a Cadillac.
What kind?
I don't know what kind of
A
Cadillac.
Cadillac is crazy.
I don't know what kind of Cadillac.
This junk hard too. It is a Cadillac, but what kind of Cadillac?
Hold on. Let me find the emblem.
You ain't gonna find it. This the emblem right here.
This you right here.
He ain't in there.
Ain't nobody in there.
This look.
What type of Cadillac is this? CTS?
Yeah, CCSV. Don't say no. He don't know this.
I
What
don't
is
know.
this?
I don't know. So
It's
I'm
a-
not gonna say it. I ain't trying to embarrass myself. I ain't trying to embarrass myself.
It's
no more.
a CCSV.
Okay, it's a CTSV.
Yeah. Yeah, it's supercharged, exactly. See, he gotta know that, bro.
I ain't know this.
He
I
gotta
don't
know
know.
that, bro.
What?
I love Cadillacs too, though. Nobody
I
know
love
that.
cars, but I really don't know like.
This
all
is the one.
names
This
of
is,
them.
This that boy right here.
Hellcat.
This that boy.
this is Hematron. This
Yeah.
is nothing
This
normal.
beating
Oh, this you?
Hellcats.
Yes. No, I'm saying
Look.
this is the one.
This beating Hellcats and stuff.
No,
Yeah, they going at it. On God. That boy said CT. It's supercharged, bro.
they ain't beating him.
When you see this, it's supercharged, bro. They'll beat a Hellcat. I'm telling you,
What's
bro.
on the dash?
Like 200. I don't know. I never been in them, but I know it'll be the Hellcat. Won't this be the Hellcat?
What's on the dash on this?
Won't this be the Hellcat fresh?
This would be Hellcat.
They going at it, right? It'll be a good race, right?
Yeah, I got my money on this.
You got your money on this? See, I told you. It's moving,
Oh,
bro.
this shit right here. Look. This shit right here. I got a question. I don't know a lot about cars, and I do YouTube.
I do.
I just want to know what's on the dash.
I know what this is.
220.
This is
okay.
a CT.
And my partner right here, he says beat Hellcats.
Yes, it will take it for a run.
You follow me, doing?
But it'll take it for a run, though. You know this going, though.
Yeah.
Supercharged. This ain't
It's
nothing to play with.
supercharged. And look at the interior.
Nothing to play with. Interior go down. Peanut
Oh
butter.
yeah, peanut butter interior. Oh
I'm telling you, bro.
my. Oh, he said get
Get the back of that one.
Oh my God! Hold on.
Oh, that's carbon. That's carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Oh
my
God. It's keeping up with my C8 all day.
What? The ZL1?
Nah, that's
Ah, the
ZL1.
ZL1.
You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
C8
The ZL1 moving
We gonna
too.
burn my little scat, the wild body scat.
Oh, they got
a.
a. Yeah.
I got faith in this one, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, it ain't out here. I drove the bit. I ain't drive that done out here. This a V though.
We can hear it. Hey, we can hear it.
They just saying, you wanna do that, little nigga?
Hey, look. I got a question. Can we hear it? Yeah, can you crank it up? We want to hear what it sounds like. I want to hear it for the YouTube. I ain't
Hey,
gonna lie.
man.
Oh, he finna. Okay, push start. Hold on, remote.
Yeah.
That's like Gatsby's on that. Okay.
That's what?
Gatsby's
Gabba
on
B.
that. Gatsby's. Oh my God.
Carbon fiber wing. How you tell this between a black wing though? Is this a black wing or not?
Black one.
This a black wing?
For the vents,
Oh, this is a black wing, bruh.
What's the difference?
Just no Asian got one. That's all you need to know, right?
Hey, you know what he doing?
Hey. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much all the cars out here, bro. That's pretty much all the cars out here, bro. You feel me? At the little event. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I was passing by. Ooh, they go SRT. Sounding real good. He got to turn the stretch control off. Yeah, he ain't turn the stretch control off. He got to turn the stretch. Oh, he right. What are he doing? That more like the Dark Knight. I ain't gonna lie. That more like the Dark Knight. I ain't gonna even care. But y'all can see, man. It is out here. They is out here, bro. You got Mopars, of course, acting totally different. You got old schools. You pretty much got everything, bro, in the hood and the A, bro. So y'all want me to start getting y'all this type of content mode, like the video. I'll go out there and start going different hoods, bro. Bro, where you finna go, bro?
I'm finna go home.
We outside tonight, bro. You will be outside, bro. Look, I gotta eat the play. It's like,
It's past my
it's
curfew.
7 o'clock, bro.
I gotta go home. It's past my curfew.
Ooh. That sound good. You finna go home, twin?
Did you hear that though?
Yeah, what's that? Camaro?
That was a Camaro.
Sound good, right?
It was sexy though.
But you sexy too, though. Not, whoa, that sounded bad. Not you, the car.
Yeah, I know.
You know I know they gonna say in the comments, though.
Yeah, it's all good, but look, we know.
Nah, nigga, roast a nigga like you roast me. He trying to change. Don't turn up, bro. Yeah, turn up.
I know who you was talking about. You was talking about my car.
Okay,
man.
okay.
It's a V6, but my V8 coming.
But they don't know that you're, bro. You supposed to say V8, bro.
I ain't gonna cap. I ain't no cap. I don't do what Pretty Boy Fredo do.
Oh, you trying to get me canceled? Fredo running SSH. SSH.
I know. I ain't gonna lie. Pretty Boy Fredo, I watch you growing up though. You still hard up, but still.
But you don't remember no more. I don't think about do. Oh, box Chevy. Oh, that boy got another box Chevy. Box Chevy game, man. Y'all know how I'm rocking, man. Oh, sideways. Sideways exit in the box. What you gonna do? What you gonna do with this box right here, though? You gonna give me a sideways exit? I know he cruising. He chilling. I know that feeling, twin. Them wheels, okay? My bad. I know what you saying though, twin. Them wheels is expensive, bro. I be the same way, bro. I ain't gonna cap you down. Huh? I can't hear you. Hold on, I'm gonna come over there. But yeah, I know how you feeling, twin. You don't want to burn out because them wheels is expensive. I ain't mad at you. What you said?
On my phone.
Oh, your phone. Them niggas always losing their phone, bro. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, bro. Show y'all the vid. Show y'all the Visky. They were like, what a demon that came? I'm like, the demon is at the crib. Cause if I drove demon, I could not just walk away from that junk without that junk coming up missing probably. So, but I got that stuff on though, Slim.
Nah, them J's hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, them three. You know what I'm saying?
Them
I got that
one-on-ones.
stuff on. Bro, I had another shirt I could have put on today too.
I know you had. I know you had.
I put on my picture. You seen that, right?
I know.
Scatty. But yeah, man, we out here in the hood with it on more than AF
My boy said we out here in the hood.
in
That's
Atlanta.
crazy.
We ain't.
But
We ain't in the hood. It look like the hood. you can't box Chevy this hood, no. We
Hey,
going
man.
to Cleveland next. Who we going next video? We going traveling, but it's a new series.
okay,
We going hoods in
every
Atlanta. Look at
every
it.
hood to hood, man. Look, man. If y'all want to see your hood, comment below right now. If y'all want us to go to your hood, and we're gonna pull up on some cool vibes.
Rate the cars. Rate the cars.
Yeah, we're gonna get cool content, man.
Yeah.
Cool content.
Everybody out here, bro. Vetsky? Oh, that's a ZR1.
That was not no ZL1. That was
ZR1.
Oh.
That's $100. That's a $200,000 vet.
Yeah, I'm about to say that was definitely a bet.
Yeah, that's $200,000 vet. He need to come back through here, bro.
8 outside.
That's ZR1s. Oh yeah, C8 outside. You feel me? Pull up to the hood real elegant.
Hey, have y'all seen the rap though? I don't think they seen the rap.
They
yet.
seen it.
Okay, they seen it.
I think so. Yeah.
If you haven't gonna see it, he just dropped the new
My
video.
channel seen it. I don't know about your channel.
My channel probably haven't seen it.
Hey, yeah. You probably ain't seen it, but it is. Yeah. Monte Carlos. Track out. Hey, that's a track out. And he ain't got the lights on.
That's what I did.
Striker.
He don't.
But bring them vests over here, bro. But who in them ZR1s? Who is that in them?
Everybody.
Who in them $200,000 C7 vests?
I don't know. Everybody rich on the east
What are we
side.
talking? I see.
Everybody rich on the east side.
Hey, we on the east side, man. They rich on the east side, man. I'm talking about they really have real motion out here, bro. I'm talking about they got ZR1 vests. Them $180,000 for a Corvette.
Hey, I wish I had that.
Oh, Cutlass. My arm's getting tired though, y'all. I'm finna try to get these vests on here for y'all though. Hey, look, y'all, look. You see him? Now you don't. You see him? Now you don't.
Hey,
You see him? Now you don't. Do
No.
me. Can you see me? Hold on. Can you see me? Without the light?
Yeah, we can see your light skin self.
Now you don't. Yeah,
No,
I don't
we
need
see
to
you.
count. You know what I'm saying? I don't
light
need it, but
skin.
look. I got them put my pants up, bro. I got that stuff on.
Hey.
This daily now, bro. Like I don't get, you know what I'm saying? My drip game.
No, your drip done upgraded. I ain't gonna cap.
It done stepped up, bro.
Cause
Appreciate it.
it wasn't like that
Bro,
at first.
C7 ZR1s.
Where?
C7 ZR1s.
Okay, see, I don't know what that is.
Oh my God.
So what's on the dash?
Bro, it don't. But them one of the best cars ever exist.
Oh, for real?
They finna raise for the money on? Sideways? Ooh. Oh. Oh.
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100.
They finna race for the money on right
I ain't
here.
gonna lie, that shit sounded so good.
They finna race for the money on right here.
For real?
Look. This for the money on, man. G8 Pontiac. Trackhowski. This man right here made me feel like I know cars. He just looking like, what? That's a G8 Pontiac twin.
Going after what you say, man.
You know what a GT, you know what a GTO is?
I know a GTA.
That's like the
Pontiac.
cousin. That's like the cousin G8.
I know the G8 Pontiac. That was a hit.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. What's that was?
Another
Dang. A what?
Another hit.
What kind? What kind of car?
A Challenger?
There you go, nigga. Hey, that's the only thing niggas know. Chargers. Chargers and Chargers. That's the only thing we know, boy. Oh my mama. That stuff crazy. Hey, look. Where them vests go? They went through the light? They finna wait for that money on, but that track car coming through trim. Track car coming through trim, though. Striker tracky? Yes, no, maybe? I don't know, man. That mug counting like it's thunderstorming, though.